I'm making chia pudding today, and as you can see, here are the ingredients. First ingredient is milk. I'm actually using hemp milk, just so you know. You can use hemp or cashews for this, and I think you'll love this recipe. First, we're gonna pour the milk into the bowl. Now, we are going to use our vanilla. Use our spoon here and scoop a little bit in. Vanilla bean. Now, next, you can see here, sweetener. Today we're gonna use apple. Next, put some raisins, just a little bit. I'm gonna put this is gonna make it nice and sweet. Next is chia seeds. Okay. Next, we're gonna stir it all in till it's nice and good. Wow. Now you gotta let it sit for 5 minutes and 2 hours. See you in a little bit. Chia pudding!
Unfortunately, Koen's microphone stopped working halfway through the video, but he wanted to tell you that this was one of his favorite dishes that he's ever created. And the good news is that you can get this recipe plus over 2,000 other whole food plant-based recipes in the Ultimate Vegan Health Bundle 2024, available now from March 1st through March 10th, and you can grab it at the link in my bio. Enjoy!